Hi, welcome back to my channel. I have another unboxing for you. Where should I start? This one I didn't purchase. This one was sent to me by Portland Leather Goods. And if you don't want to know the story, you just want to see the bag, you can jump to the later part in the video. But I do want to tell you how did I get this bag for free. So, in short, I won a contest. I was very surprised that I won that contest because I don't even remember when was the last time I won a contest. Maybe in high school? That would be what, 20 years, at least 20 years ago? Yeah, I couldn't remember. And if you also want to get a chance to win a free bag, you probably want to check out Portland Leather Goods Facebook Insider group, because regularly they would do giveaway, asking the community to share pictures depending on the theme of the contest. And after you share your photos, I think the community will pick 3 potential winners and then they will vote to see who came out on top. I didn't even know the rules exactly because when I share my photos, I didn't expect to win or even in top 3. So this really came as a surprise. I'm just really grateful to be in such a supportive community because being an immigrant is not easy to have acceptance in life. A lot of times, you know, I felt isolated and all that. So seeing people are so kind in the community and in the group, and even you all who have been watching my video, it means a lot to me. And once in a while, I got lucky and I won a contest and got a free bag. This is amazing, and before I talk too much, I should get into it so that you're not bored and turning away. So this is what the box looks like after I open it up. I have no idea what's inside other than a bag. I think it was a backpack, I believe. I didn't even pay attention what was the price. I believe it was a blue backpack, but I could be wrong. As usual, they included a thank you card from Portland Leather Goods. Looks like they sent me some small items too. They have been amazing. I didn't expect that. Let's take a look. Look at this. I have to show you up close. Look at how tiny this is. I believe this is based on their taco pouch. Oh my god, this is so adorable and also so functional as well. Because this is a zipper pouch, it can open all the way. So if you want to put your lipstick, lip balm, or even some cash, you could totally keep it in this little pouch. This is such a cool product. They should totally sell it on the website. And looks like they are sending me one more items here. Oh, it has been a great unboxing, I would say. I'm just so moved by their kindness. I guess when you genuinely love their product, they know. Look at that. Wow. I don't have this in my collection yet. This looks like dream color, maybe? Let's take a look close up. I think this is their dream color, or maybe I'm wrong. But it's really beautiful. Look at the pebble leather on this wallet. It's just beautiful. I love this kind of tumble leather. Open it up. Looks like it has 3 sections. The bottom part, you probably can put a small phone or cash or your receipt when you go out and shop. And then looks like it has 3 credit card slots. And then at the back, you can put more stuff as well. Wow, I'm really grateful that they sent me extra stuff for me to try out. But that could be a problem. That means I may be buying more small items. I'm so in trouble. Finally, I think this is time for the bag. Nicely wrapped in their tissue paper. Oh wow! Look at that. It is a matching wallet. Oh my god, this blue is just so gorgeous. Wow. The leather feels quite thick as well. Good size front zip pocket. Quite big, look at that. I can put my whole hand inside. Not sure what this is. Let's take a look. Oh wow, it's a congratulation note. So the note say, "Congrats Chi, you were an easy favorite for the social media team." Oh my god, they are just so kind. So we were so pleased the group agreed. Thank you for being such an active member in both the insiders and the groupies. We hope you enjoy your tote backpack, whether you keep it for yourself or give it. Wow, really a sweet note. Look at that handwritten note. When was the last time a company sent you a handwritten note, right? Let's check out the inside of this backpack. Looks like it has a slip pocket inside. And the side of it, the depth is pretty good. If you want to stuff this bag, you can really put a lot inside. I have my iPad Pro 12.9 here. Let's try it out. Oop, totally fit in. So I guess if you have a smaller laptop, like maybe a 13-inch laptop, this may fit. This may look like a smaller backpack, but it can actually fit a lot. I'm really surprised. Let's put on the straps. So the strap is adjustable with this buckle system. That may be too short. So I thought I would show you a little bit how it looks on body if you are around my size. I'm 5'9". It's a very casual, everyday backpack. Now I will have to go check out their website and see what other colors they have. I'm glad I didn't cry on camera, but I just want them to know I really appreciate this gift, and I really appreciate the whole community that's giving me the opportunity to own this bag. It's going to be a great memories for me because I really haven't worn anything for years. I know that doesn't sound so great, but I'm still a very fortunate person. I'm very fortunate to have all the stuff in my life, and very fortunate to be able to sit here to talk to you all. I don't want that it sounded like so horrible about my life. Not at all. I'm very fortunate to have many things in life, but I'm sure we all struggle sometimes, so it's good to have something to cheer you up and pick up your spirits. And that's why I keep buying Portland Leather Goods product, because they have so much fun colors. They have so many variety of the products that you can choose from. Anyway, this has been an amazing experience and I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say anymore. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing, and if you have questions on how to join the Facebook group and how to participate in their giveaway, you can ask in the comment area and I'll try my best to help you. Hopefully you are the next winner. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.